Hello, Sunshines. This is our video for Thursday, June 4th, okay? And we are still working with our grammar book. We have almost finished Unit 16 in the book. So let's continue working, okay? Please take out your grammar book and open it up, please, on page 82. Page 82. Okay, remember, if you don't have your physical book, the book is on the platform in your email, or it's in your emails, in your parents' emails. Okay, so if you don't have it anyway, don't worry. If you have it, let's continue working with it. This page 82, says Module 8 Review. Okay, we are going to start doing exercises of review. And today, in this video, we are going to answer exercises A, B, and C. I have written here the exercises, like in a blackboard, and I am going to answer it with you, okay? So you can check your answers, you can copy your answers, and you can complete your pages, and I hope that you understand our review. Now, exercise A is about how much and how many. Remember, a few weeks ago, we were talking about count and non-count nouns, okay? How much and how many are the questions we ask and for these nouns, and how many, we use how many when we are talking about things that we can count with numbers, okay? How many pieces of cake did you eat? I ate 2 pieces of cake, okay? That's a lot of cake. But you can count them with numbers. And we use how much for nouns that you cannot count with numbers. For example, you can say rice, arroz, okay? And rice, you cannot count 1 grain of rice, 2 grains of rice, okay? You count it by weight. You weight it with kilograms or with a bag, okay? So we use how many for things that we can count with numbers, and how much for things that we cannot count with numbers. And we use, remember, our measure words. This exercise is only about how much and how many, okay? And we are going to answer it together. If you don't see clearly the screen, it's okay. You have your books or you have the pictures in the platform, okay? So check what you have if you cannot see clearly the screen. Okay, let's start. Exercise A, number 1. It says here, circle the correct words, okay? Circle the correct words. And we have how much, many, bread. Okay, bread was a non-count noun because we used loaf of bread. So we are going to use to ask this question, how much? And here I circle it, okay? So number 1 is how much bread do we have? How much bread do we have? Number 2 says, how many sandwiches should we make? Here we have a little clue, okay? We have sandwiches in plural. So it means that we can count with numbers. So we use how many sandwiches should we prepare? How many sandwiches should we prepare? Number 3, we have how many cookies are in the box. Again, we have this little clue That is the plural. So it means that we can count with numbers. So we use how many cookies are there in the box or are in the box. Okay? Number 4. How much many cheese is on this pizza? Okay, imagine we have a pizza. Can you count the cheese in the pizza? No. So we use much. How much cheese is in this pizza? How much cheese is in this pizza? Number 5, we have how much many chocolate do you eat? This one is tricky. It can be with how much or with how many. But here we have again to check to our clue. Here we don't have a plural. So it is a non-count noun. So we use how much chocolate do you eat? Okay? If this were plural, how chocolates do you eat? Then we would use how many. But here we have a singular. So we use how much chocolate do you eat? And number 6 says, how many cakes did you buy? We have a plural here. Remember, this is our clue. So what do we use? How many cakes did you buy? Okay? Let's repeat this one so it gets clearer. Okay? We have much or many. We use many for things that we can count with our fingers. So, how much bread do we have? Bread we cannot count with our fingers because it usually is a piece, okay? Much. Number 2, how many sandwiches? How many sandwiches? We have a plural, so it gives us a clue that we can count them with numbers. How many sandwiches? Number 3, how many cookies? Again, many cookies. We have a plural. Number 4, how much cheese is in this pizza? Much cheese. Imagine, again, we have a pizza and we cannot count the cheese in the pizza. So, how much cheese? Number 5, how much chocolate do you eat? This one is not plural, so we are talking about weight. How much chocolate do you eat? For example, we can say, I eat 100 grams of chocolate every week. Do you see how much? And I was talking about grams, not about chocolates. And finally, number 6, how many cakes did you buy? We have cakes, plural, so we can count how many cakes. Now, let's go to exercise B. We have here the measure words that we were talking about. These exercises are from Unit 15 because this is a review, okay? And exercise B says, complete the sentences with the words in the box. I wrote here the words, okay? I wrote bar, jar, slice, cup, bowl, carton. I know that some of these words are new for you, but with the picture and with this exercise, you are going to understand them perfectly, okay? So, number 1 says, this is a bowl of rice. Bowl of rice. And we cross out bowl, okay? Very good. This is a bowl of rice. Number 2, we have a juice. And here in the picture, okay, we don't have a glass of juice. We have a complete liter of juice. This is a carton, okay? So we have a carton of juice and we cross out carton. Number 3, can I have a of honey? Do you remember what is the word we use for jam, jelly, honey? A jar, okay? We cross out jar and we write here, can I have a jar of honey? Okay, very good. Now, number 4, do you want a, and we have here the picture, a cup, okay? Do you want a cup of coffee? Yes, of course, I always want a cup of coffee, okay? So we cross it out. Now, number 5, I want a, what can it be? Look at the picture, okay? It's a complete chocolate. So it's a bar of chocolate. Here it is, and we cross out bar, okay? And finally, we have, there is a of bread on my plate. What is this? Is this a loaf of bread? A complete piece of bread? No, this is a slice, okay? Slice, rebanada. This is a slice of bread, okay? Very good. And we finished this exercise. I am going to read again the answers, okay? So we have number 1, sorry. Okay, number 1, this is a bowl of rice. Okay, I am going to stop the video to drink some water. Wait a second, please. Okay, now I'm better. Thank you. Now, I am going to read again the answers. Okay, so we have, this is a bowl of rice. Number 2, we have a carton of juice. Number 3, can I have a jar of honey, please? Number 4, do you want a cup of coffee? Number 5, I want, sorry, I want a bar of chocolate. And number 6, there's a slice of bread on my plate. Okay? Very good. And finally, complete the sentences with the words in the box. Exercise C. This exercise is about the words that we have been working this unit, okay? The words that express feelings. Also, I wrote here the words, okay? The prepositions. I wrote of, with, of, about, at, about. And we are going to complete these sentences, okay? I am moving to the side so we can do it better. Now, we have number 1. I am sorry, and we use about. Sorry, about. Okay, and we cross out the first sorry. Okay, number 2, my sister is, okay, I am sorry about making a mess in the kitchen. Okay, number 2, my sister is very good at, we cross out at. My sister is very good at making pizza. Number 3, I was happy with, we cross out with, we write here with, the soup I made. It was delicious. I was happy with the soup I made. It was delicious. Now, number 4, it was silly, and silly goes with of. Let's cross out of and write here of. Okay, it was silly of me to forget to buy milk. Number 5, I'm not sure, and sure goes also with about. Okay, I'm not sure about this recipe. Recipe are the instructions to prepare something. Okay, instructions to prepare something. Recipe is a receta. Okay, I'm not sure about this recipe. I think it might be wrong. And number 6 says ice cream and candy are full of sugar. We cross out of and write off here. Okay, I am repeating again the answers so you check your own answers. Okay, number 1 is exercise C. Number 1, I'm sorry about making a mess in the kitchen. Number 2, my sister is very good at making pizza. Number 3, I was happy with the soup I made. It was delicious. Number 4, it was silly of me to forget to buy milk. Number 5, I'm not sure about this recipe. I think it might be wrong. And number 6, ice cream and candy are full of sugar. Okay? Very good. Now we have finished with page 82. Okay? In tomorrow's video, we will finish page 83, or maybe on Monday. Let me check how we work tomorrow, okay? Now, I am going to stop the video again to review, to change our posters so we can start reviewing our spelling. Okay, very good. Now we are with our spelling list 25. Please repeat with me the words, okay? So we can study together. Number 1, mural. M-U-R-A-L, mural. Number 2, empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Number 3, bloom. B-L-O-O-M, bloom. Number 4, curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious. Number 5, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Number 6, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Number 7, crowd. C-R-O-W-D, crowd. Number 8, community. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y, community. Number 9, teenagers. T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R-S, teenagers. Number 10, haze. H-A-Z-E, haze. Number 11, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Number 12, vines. V-I-N-E-S, vines. Number 13, beans. B-E-A-N-S, beans. Number 14, potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. And number 15, gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Okay? We're going to repeat them again. Now, in the opposite order. Okay? Number 1, gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Sorry. Number 2, potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Number 3, beans. B-E-A-N-S, beans. Number 4, vines. V-I-N-E-S, vines. Number 5, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Number 6, haze. H-A-Z-E, haze. Number 7, teenagers. T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R-S, teenagers. Number 8, mural. M-U-R-A-L, mural. Number 9, empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Number 10, bloom. B-L-O-O-M, bloom. Number was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious. Number 12, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Number 13, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Number 14, crowd. C-R-O-W-D, crowd. And number 15, community. COMMUNITY, community. Okay, and now let's check our memory work, okay? Remember, it is the second paragraph and it's for Friday. Now, repeat with me, please, everybody. Climb aboard, put on your helmets, and buckle up real tight. Here comes the countdown. Let's count with all our might. 10, 9, 7. No, that's not right. Okay, again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Okay? Very good. Now, repeat with me again. Climb aboard. Put on your helmets and buckle up real tight. Here comes the countdown. Count with all your might. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Okay? Very good, guys. Now, to end this video, remember we have a project coming on for Monday, June 8th. Okay? So I hope that you're already working with it. You also have to write 5 sentences with these words about feelings. Sorry. Happy with, excited about, curious about, okay? They are also for Monday, and we have grammar dictation and memory work on Friday, okay? Friday, June 5th. Please start working with your platform, okay? This is very good time to start working Unit 16 on your platform. If you have any problems with your platform, please send me an email so I can check it. All right? Okay, guys, see you on class. Bye.